Alright, hey guys, this is a really random video, but I've been trying to do this for the longest time. So, my brother has this helicopter he got for Christmas. Right? Okay. And you control it with this. And I'm on a mission today. I'm going to do this. There is a snowman on my table, and it's gonna fly or whatever, and it's gonna keep going that way, and it's gonna come around, and it's gonna go, and it's gonna land. So that's what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna attempt it. So here we go. Here we go. Wait, I should probably do it the other way. Turn my hand in. Oh, really? I was almost there. Okay, that was my attempt to land right there, and it didn't really work. So, yeah. Oh. Alright, that's my video on trying to attempt to drive this, and it doesn't really work. Alright, so that's it. Bye.